After creating your account and selecting New Presentation, you should come to a screen that looks like this. When selecting your template, pay close attention to the skill level. Prezi has 3 skill levels starting at Novice, moving to Skilled, and finally to Master. While none of these are very challenging, the higher skill level is more complex. Off to the left-hand side, you will see filters that will help you narrow down your preferences for your project. Scroll till you find a template you would like to use, select it, and scroll through to see if you like the layout. If you like the layout, click Use this template to select that template. You will have to title your presentation and select anyone on the web being able to view this presentation, as that is the option for the free program. Once you have titled this, you will get started.